you one last chance. Everybody gather up. Okay, now the rules are whoever makes the most noise in an area gets the most shirts. Okay, so I want to hear from the right side. I want to hear from the center. I want to hear from the left side. All right, we look like we got a good crowd here. We ready, Bob? Okay, now I want to tell you something. You guys keep them coming, right? Okay, right side. Center. Left side. Right side. All right. Okay, now that you know how it works, you got to start screaming. Left side. Center. Right side. Right side again. Okay, you ready? Right side. Center. Left side. Center. Okay, we got two right sides. We got one center. Let's hear the left side. Left side. Whoa, that guy's a basketball player. Watch out. Okay. Now, just because you're close to the stage don't mean you don't get no action. Okay? So, it may not come, but it may come. You don't know. But I gotta hear some. You know what? What do they say? Wave your hands up in the air. Wave them like you just don't care. Now everybody scream! Oh, watch out for him in the sausage contest. He don't take no prisoners, that guy. Okay, listen to me. This is only going to be on screaming. I'm not even going to let Bob see. Scream! Oh, looks like that right side's got a lot of lung. A lot of lung.